Board of Secondary Education Manipurgi Chairman Nauna DPC Tauraga Kanglon Chumna Lobiyu Deputation Matam Loiraba Myoy Ama Service Extension Tauduna Thamba Yaroi Haina BOSEM Employees Union Amade Manipur Government Services Federation na Mari Leinabu Shingi Pungning Chingsilakli Hiramasiga Mari Leinana ngasi Manipur Press Club da Pangthokpa Paugi Mifam Amada Manipur Government Services Federation gi General Secretary Purujit Lairing Engbam na hai Inkalak liba Mahiru Shingi Laibak Lepkadoriba Bosem Gumba Institution Amada Hauzik Thogliba Charang Naba Shuna Maram Oiraga Mahiru Shingi career da Chauna Akaiba Kayama Thokalakpa Yana Leire Handak Education Department of Bosem gi Chairman Oina Thokibo Odorado Yamna Chumdaba Thong Amani Pumno Nova DPC Ama Taudana Hanagi Deputation Matam Loikraba Chairman Amabu Nauna Amu Chairman ni Haina Hapchilakpa Se Aranba Kongthang Amani Bosem gi Chairman Oiriba Myoy Mahaki Service Antecedents Track Record Yengluba Matamda Mahak Masamag Inquiry Chathariba Myoy Amani Haiba Khangmangamlei FRSR gi Makada Deputation Haibasi Employee Amana Chahi Humpu Sukrabadi Mahaku Makatana Deputation Thaba Yade Haiba Kanglon Lei Adubu Rule Mayamasi Violet Tauraga Mahakpu Amung Nauna Bosem gi Chairman Oina Hablakpa Se Bosem Employees Union amasung Manipur Government Services Federation na Yabang Amloi Haina Mahakna Makatana Phongdokhi
my career da magi kenuda service ki kenuda spectrum da mungtana lagi da ba du musing si badana dana si backdoor appointment haibadare asmaina yamna unfair wina torpus ki posi masi the whole society of the state of Manipur masi kanna apo object thoi madu tuna sunthokna ba sengna ma du gi damakta akan ba apo gi suggestion adagi proposal the advice adu akuna pijari adu matung tarakpa maruena amongst employees under the Manipur Secondary Board of Education gi si lady ba mayam sing sin manung gi su makoi te mai te ko to du mayam sing tu gi employees in marak to du mai tholokpa adu at the same time as the society is at large and chauna kailak ko dun maram wara ko na madugi can see gravity madugi can see adu gi matik lumna lokjo bo na ngasagi press conference se to